I'm Andy Brock, project manager for America's Home Place at the Calhoun office. We're here today at an American B, 1,500 square foot, pretty open floor plan. Right on this front porch, as all of our front porch comes standard on a crawl space, you've got a nice 42-inch tall railing of 2x4 pickets separated with these 8-inch box columns with an actual solid post in the center that offers great support for the header that goes all the way around that wraps and has the nice PVC coated coil soffit. These 8-inch box columns are separated by 2x4 railing with 3.5 inches of spacing between each. So there's a lot of safety protection there for any little ones or any dogs that you have, maybe any pets on the front porch. This is our standard featured railing. Comes on every floor plan when you add a deck or a porch to a crawl space. For a slab, they're not always needed because of the code requirements. For a crawl space, we always have them standard, so you can pick any color of the solid stain or semi-transparent stain from Sherwin-Williams. This customer chose a solid stain, French roast color. There are a lot of options that Sherwin-Williams offers in their semi-transparent, transparent, and solid stains. We always use these stains on the exterior railing. It soaks into the wood very nicely and doesn't peel off like latex paint like a lot of other painters would use. This one is very durable, it can be pressure washed, it lasts for a very long time, and is a lot easier to touch up, but it is a very great option that looks awesome with this standard vinyl siding. These are great railing options just to contain your front porch, and there's plenty of space left still on the open area for any activities. The columns themselves are actually a rot-proof composite product that will never rot. The 2x4 is pressure treated, so it is going to last for a very long time, especially with the solid stain protection that is actually soaked into that wood. So it will have to be touched up years down the road, but it touches up very well. This porch was a smaller standard porch that she actually upgraded to run the full length of the front of the house. So it's great for entertaining for families if you need this space. It's also just awesome to have a cup of coffee sitting on a rocking chair in the morning, looking at this beautiful view that she's got here in North Georgia. If you'd like to learn more, please visit us at americashomeplace.com. Be sure to like and subscribe.